Guys, we have this question right here. It's asking use cofactors to find the inverse of A. So what are they asking to find is A inverse. So there's a general formula for this one. A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant A multiplied by cofactor A transpose. So this is the general formula. So let's see what we can do. First of all, in this case I have to find determinant A. So determinant A is going to be equal to AD minus BC. That's the general formula. AD minus BC. It's only work for 2 by 2 matrix. Since this is a 2 by 2, I can use this one. So AD minus BC. Then what we have to do is we have to find the cofactor of the A. So to find the cofactor of the A, I have to find cofactor of every single one of them. So let's see. Let's start with the cofactor one by one. So if it's 1 mean first row, first column. So I have to eliminate the vertical and horizontal component, and before that I have to simply multiply this one by, if it's 1 I have to multiply by 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. So since the power is even and it's any, any negative power number to the power of even is a positive number, right? So like if for example negative 2 times 2 is equal to 4, positive 4. So if it's like same thing, negative 1 to the power of 2 is going to be positive 1, and multiply by so when I take 1 plus 1, it's been first row first column. So I have to remove the vertical and horizontal components. The one remaining is D, so I have to put D. So I have to do the same thing for everything. So cofactor 1 2 is going to be negative 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, and if I remove all of this, C is remaining, and then cofactor 2 1, 2 1, if I take 2 1, it's going to be negative 1 to the power of 2 plus 1, and if I remove all the vertical and horizontal, the remaining is B. Then we have cofactor 2 2 and negative 1 to the power of 2 plus 2, and if I remove everything, it's going to be C. Oh no, 2 2, right? So 2, this one removed, this one removed, it's A, and it's going to be a positive D. This is going to be a negative C. This is going to be negative B, and this is going to be a positive A. Now I have to rearrange this one. So it's going to be cofactor. The cofactor A is going to be 1 1 B, 1 2 minus C, 2 1 minus B, 2 2 is K. So this is my cofactor A. Now I have to find the cofactor A transpose. Cofactor A transpose is simply the flip of this one. So first row is going to be flipped vertically. So it's going to be D minus C minus B A. This is the flip of the transpose. Then I have to simply apply this equation. So it's going to be A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant A. We have found this one already. It's okay, AD minus BC, AD minus BC multiplied by D minus B minus C A. So this is my final answer for this question. Then we have the second question right here. It's asking solve the following system using Cramer's rule. So actually we are missing the question right here. It's the question is 2x 2x plus 3y equal minus 1, and then x plus x minus y is equal to 2. That's the question, and they are asking to solve the question using Cramer's rule. Let's see how we can do this. So this is A part. Now I'm going to begin the B part. So since this is the question, let's see how we can. So in this kind of question, it's better to take the matrix form to avoid confusions. So I take the matrix form first. So it's going to be 2 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2, and this is going to be like this. Then what I have to do is, since if I have to find, I have to use x, like I have to find x and y. That's the main question. So to find the x and y, what I have to do is I have to simply flip. This is b, right? This is ax, ax equal to, like, this is b. So we have to simply flip this one for the x and find the determinant. Determinant is going to be minus 1, 2, then 3 minus 1 remains the same. But in the bottom, it's going to be original form. It's going to be determinant of 2, 1, 3, minus 1. And if you find, it's going to be since this is 2 by 2 matrix, we can simply use AD minus BC formula. So it's going to be minus 1 times 1 is going to be 1, and this is 6, so 1 minus 6 is going to be minus 5. And this is going to be 2 times minus 1 is going to be negative 2, and this is 1 times 3 is going to be positive 3. Therefore minus 2 minus 3 is going to be minus 5. Minus 5 over minus 5 is going to be plus 1. So this is my x. Then I have to find the y value. To find the y value, I have to simply flip this b for the y value, and x, we don't do anything for the x. Then determinant of this is going to be 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2. Then original remain in the bottom. So determinant 2, 3, 1, minus 1. In this case, you will get plus 5 here. If you find, it's like 2 times 2 is going to be 4. This is minus 1, so minus minus 1 is going to be plus 5. So plus 5 over minus 5 is going to be minus 1. Therefore, the final answer is 1 minus 1. Therefore, this is the final answer. So we have used the Cramer's rule and found all the answers for this question. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.